Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
So we are back with chapter 2. Chapter 2, shlokas 1, 2 and
3.
3. And you know what? Next 5 to 6 months we are going to get deep into chapter 2. 5 to 6 months. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Shall we start?
Yes, Mammu.
Sit properly, sit straight. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः
Sankhya-yogah.
सांख्ययोगः.
So, first one was Atha.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
Now it is Atha Dvitiyah Adhyayah. Chapter 2. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
First one was Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Second one is Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya Yoga means yoga of knowledge, ultimate knowledge. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Let us get deep into it. Let us dive into this. Sit straight. First shloka. Sanjaya Uvacha.
सञ्जय उवाच
तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम्
तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम्
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम्
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम्
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
उवाच मधुसूदनः.
उवाच मधुसूदनः.
Once again. तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम्
तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम्
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम्
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम्
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
उवाच मधुसूदनः.
उवाच मधुसूदनः.
उत्तमम्. Now next. No movements, no sounds please. Extra. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच
कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम्
कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम्
विषमे समुपस्थितम्
विषमे समुपस्थितम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
Once again. कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम्
कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम्
विषमे समुपस्थितम्
विषमे समुपस्थितम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्.
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्.
See that sha. Sha has to be sha. It's not sha. अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम्
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
See that day you asked Mamu, no? Akirtikaram How is it that? You were asking, no? It is actually Akirtikaram Arjuna. But when we say that, the stress will be Akirtikaram Arjuna. It will sound like Marjuna, but it is Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Akirtikaram
Yeah. You got it right?
Yes, Mammu.
So, shall we go ahead with Shloka 3?
Yes, Mammu.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ.
That gamaha partha becomes gamah partha.
गमः पार्थ.
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते.
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 क्षुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यम्.
क्षुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यं.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Once again.
Yes, Mamu.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ.
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते.
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते.
क्षुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यम्.
क्षुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यं.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Good. Whenever you feel like you are not singing in Shruti, Mamu has given you a technique, no? What is the technique? To sing Om, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Try to sing Om.
Om.
Ha, very good. So 3 times you sing Om in Shruti, you will get accustomed to it. You will get the pitch right. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So we are done with shlokas. Now shall we chant it together?
Yes, Mamu.
Sanjaya uvacha tam tatha कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः. श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम् विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन. क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ. नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते. क्षुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यम्. त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Let us go through the meanings now. Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya, what is uvacha?
Means talk.
Talk. Means talk. That is Sanjaya said. Okay? Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya said. Tam tatha कृपयाविष्टम्
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम्
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम्
उवाच मधुसूदनः.
Who is Madhusudana?
Madhusudana is Krishna.
Madhusudana spoke these words to Arjuna, who was overwhelmed with pity. Kripayavishtam. See, do you remember in first chapter, last shloka, Arjuna was sitting like this, no?
Yes, Mamu.
He's confused, he's completely perplexed. He's in Vishada. So this is continuing now. Madhusudana spoke these words to Arjuna, who was overwhelmed with pity, kripayavishtam. Then he is also vishidantam. Vishidantam is despondency. Despondency means, he is in low spirits. See, sometimes I say, Innu is full of enthusiasm. Sometimes Innu is like always in, low spirits. So like that, Arjuna is now in low spirits. Vishidantam. Ashru purna akula ikshanam. Ikshanam is eyes, like your look, your viewing. Ashru purna. Ashru purna is, Ashru is tears. Purna, full of tears. And akula. Akula is agitated. See, Arjuna is with eyes full of tears and also agitated. Why are you crying? Okay. Arjuna is crying there. You have become Krishna or what? Sorry, you have become Arjuna or what? Okay, no problem. Now, next shloka, Krishna is giving you good scolding and also encouragement. Okay? Sit properly. So all your problems will go off. Now, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, Bhagavan said. See, Bhagavan is starting. No excitement. Sit. No extra excitement. I know that you love the story. Everything is there. But sit properly. Bhagavan Uvacha. For the first time, Bhagavan is speaking. See. Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Vishame samupasthitam.
Hey Arjuna, how has this delusion overtaken you in this moment of crisis? Slowly, Krishna is in a scolding mode. Anarya Jushtam Asvargyam.
Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Yeah, Anarya Jushtam. It is unwelcome to noble souls. Anarya Jushtam. Asvargyam. It will not bring heaven to you. Swarga is heaven. But you know what? It is not about going to some heaven after death. It is about, when you are in Shanti, all Shanti, peace, here, this moment, if you are in Shanti, you are in Swarga. If you are in chaos, if you are into so much problems, then you are in Naraka. Here, this moment. We are not talking about some Swarga and Naraka. So, Krishna is saying, Asvargyam, you will not get heaven. You will not get peace if you are like this. Next is Akirtikaram. We say disgraceful. Disgraceful to sit like this, Arjuna. See, this is Krishna's technique. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Now he is going to encourage. Klaibyam masmagamaf partha.
Naitattvayupapadyate.
Kshudram hridaya daurbalyam.
Tyaktvotishtha parantapa.
Yeah. Hey Partha, Klaibyam masmagamaha. Etattvai na upapadyate. O Partha, do not yield to unmanliness. Unmanliness. Klaibyam. It does not befit you. Hey Parantapa. Parantapa means, O destroyer of enemies. See, Arjuna has destroyed many enemies. So, Krishna is giving confidence. Hey Parantapa. Kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktva uttishtha. Shake off this petty weakness of the heart and stand up. Uttishtha. See, when Krishna says this, you have to be all alert. Okay? Sit. Now let us get into details of this. The second chapter of the Gita can be taken as a summary of entire Gita. If you know second chapter of Gita, that means you know Gita.
How?
That's how it is. Once you learn it, you will know it. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Now, Bhagavad Gita simply means song of God. See, Gita. Geetam is Ganam. Song. Whose song? Bhagavan's song. No?
Yes, Mamu.
You know what? His song, his voice is much sweeter than good music. If you are able to listen to him, it is so sweet. You know?
Okay, Mamu.
So he is going to speak now. See, you know, in first chapter it was all about Vishada. No?
Yes, Mamu.
It is all about Vishada. Arjuna's sthiti. Our sthiti it is. Now it is all about Krishna is going to speak and he is going to give confidence, everything. Okay?
Mamu, in
Yeah.
first chapter and second chapter 2 shlokas, I was feeling like crying.
You were feeling like crying. Why? Because we were experiencing Arjuna there, right? Krishna was silent, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Yeah, Mama will tell you about that. See, that's what Gita actually effectively begins from this second chapter. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Krishna was quiet until now. He starts speaking from second chapter, second verse. At the same time, after this second verse, Arjuna is also speaking a bit. Sanjaya is also speaking a bit. Then, from 11th shloka, full and full, it is Krishna's voice.
Till 700
Yeah,
shlokas?
till 700 shlokas, but here and there, Arjuna asks questions. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So that is there. So now, see, in these two shlokas, you get to know that Sri Krishna is a clever teacher. Bhagavan first begins by inducing a hunger for knowledge in Arjuna. He says, it is unwelcome to noble souls to sit like this. It will not bring you heaven. It is disgraceful to sit like this. See, he is scolding, no? Krishna is scolding Arjuna. He is saying, no, this is not what you are. Then, he enhances Arjuna's internal strength by encouraging him. O Partha, do not give in to unmanliness, klaibyam. See, this klaibyam word is like, पांच थप्पड़ जैसा टक 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 क्लैब्यम unmanliness क्लैब्यम मास्मगमः. No, this is serious. Mamo is saying, when Krishna is saying something, it is like if we are alert, we will know, we will understand it.
Just like Arjuna.
Yeah. So क्लैब्यम मास्मगमः. He is saying it does not befit you. हे परंतप क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम त्यक्त्वा उत्तिष्ठ. Shake off this petty weakness of the heart. Hridaya daurbalyam. See, this is the problem for everyone. The mind, the hridaya, the heart is weak. Then how come we are going to take a good decision when the heart is weak? So Krishna is saying, Uttishtha. Stand up. Stand up, he is saying. How beautifully he is saying. When Krishna says, Uttishtha.
I'll get up.
Yeah, Uttishtata, Jagrata. You have to get up first, then Jagrata is like alert. Even after you stand up, in the spiritual realm, there are various, small things which will come as hindrance. Jagrata. Okay, now, in our life too, Bhagavan Krishna is present as a guide all the time. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
He has two beautiful namas in Vishnu Sahasranama. Gurur Gurutamo Dhama Satya Satya Parakramaha Guruhu Gurutamaha. Guruhu is who is a teacher. Guruhu, say? Guruhu, who is a teacher. Not the teacher who is teaching you the outer things. Not the teacher who is teaching you this outer knowledge. One who teaches you the ultimate knowledge. He is Guruhu. Now next name, see, Gurutamaha. Say, Gurutamaha.
Gurutamaha.
Guruhu Gurutamaha. Gurur Gurutamo Dhama. Gurutamaha means who is the teacher of teachers. Can you imagine? See?
Teachers of Mamu. Teacher of Mamu.
Teacher of Mamu. So, you're teacher of teachers. Okay, you took it like that. Okay, whatever it is. Don't make sound. Gurutamaha. The teacher of teachers. He is the teacher of teachers. Do namaskaram now. Yeah, teacher of teachers. Such a divine being is always there to guide us. So, tell me, who is Innu's guru?
Hannu.
Oh, Innu's guru is Hannu, right?
Hannu is equal to Mammu.
What? Hannu?
Is equal to Mammu.
Hannu is equal to Mammu. Mammu, Hannu. Yes.
Just you need a gada.
I need a gada, right? Okay. So that means you have a guide. You have a guru, right?
Yes, Mammu.
Now, you know. Very good. That's good. You understood it. Krishna comes in various forms to guide us. Okay? But most of the times you can hear his sweet voice when you are in continuous silence. Just try to close your eyes and sit continuously, without any extra chatter, and you can listen to him speaking. But you have to practice this for some 3-4 years or 5-6 years or 10 years or 12 years to get into that, to hear him, to listen to him. When we say silence, it is not bahya maunam, okay? It is antarika maunam. It is not about just stopping to speak through your tongue, through your mouth. It is about stopping to bring a stop to your mind. Then only we can listen to his sweet voice. Okay? You know, most of the people, they are missing this guide in their life. Yes. To get a tapasvi to guide us is the most beautiful thing to happen in our life. But you know, if this same tapasvi is our friend, then the joy is ultimate.
Just like Sudama.
Sudama, even for Arjuna, Sudama, Arjuna. See, that's why Krishna said, you both are in my heart. See, one who can scold us, one who can inspire us, not through speaking, just through mere presence. See, sometimes, some people, when our gurus, when they come, we are like, we just enjoy the presence. Arjuna got that, right? Sudama got that, right?
Yes, Mammu.
Your Mammu too got his Guru Swarupa a few years back. Who is Mammu's Guru?
Nottur Swami.
Nottur Swami. Same outer Guru then awakens the Guru inside. Awakens that Krishna inside. Then you know what happens? Every moment after that, it is beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Shall we stop?
Yes, Mammu.
Do namaskaram. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.